It is time for an update. So, I just spent the last 4 hours taking the Pocket Factory and revamping it, doing open heart surgery on this. So, what I just replaced was the heart of the whole Pocket Factory, which is the picker and interconnector. This takes bits of silicon cells, places them, and connects them together using a little bit of solder paste. And that's what the bulk of the work, it's like 60% of the work in making a solar panel, is placing and connecting these little pieces of silicon. So the last thing we were doing was we had this big rotary table that would pick up a piece of silicon from one side, and this whole thing would whoop, flip around and drop it off over here on the panel. And then it would whoop, spin back, pick up another one, bring it back. We were having all kinds of problems with that. It wasn't perfectly accurate. We were having trouble getting everything aligned right. We were having some errors, and it wasn't all that fast. It would take us a couple seconds to pick and place a solette. So, with this new system that we just put in, it's a linear head, so it's a little thing that runs back and forth, grabbing a solette, a piece of silicon over here, and dropping it off over here. And we're using a mix of really cheap parts that I was able to find in Manila, so like the suction pump, which would normally be a $1,000 pump they'd use in a pick-and-place machine, is a $50 pump that's used in medical surgery that I picked up at a used medical center. And some stuff is homebrewed, some stuff we bought pre-made, but this thing is going to be much faster, and as you'll see at the end of this, it's putting out really nicely aligned pieces of silicon. It's going to make really nice panels. So I think this is going to be the best iteration of the Pocket Factory easily we've ever done. So, I took 4 hours of footage of me working on this factory, and I condensed it down to a minute or two, and that's this update. I just want to show you open heart surgery on the Pocket Factory. Well, I don't know about you, but I've been cooped up inside all day. I have to go to the mountain. Shall we?